طريقة فعلا قابلين تلاقوا بتنفس تلاقوا جنين في
يا نني هذه كان بيه.
Minoxidil basically acts by causing the vasodilation, and in the vasodilation, PRP is a new advancement in the new therapy for the treatment of hair loss. And the PRP is a concentration of plasma with a platelet, and these platelets also have clotting layers. This study is a randomized controlled trial, a single blinded, and the place it was done at the Department of Dermatology hospital branch. In my study, the sample size was 25 patients was included. Total 6 months of hair fall, age between 18 to 60 years, Hamilton North. All those patients have been excluded from the study who have been
Article
patient.
in tissue recorder.
Now the information was randomly
مظبوط.
preparation of PRP. My study had prepared a PRP by taking 30 ml of venous blood for all recipient players and for 15 minutes. We injected the platelet rich plasma in the scalp. Now these are the clock, as you can see, it's crop here, clock, and this one is the assessment was done at 0, 3 and 6 months, and the serial group which would come from the group of the patient. It was a single blinded study. Assessed by the hair growth questionnaire,
الموضوع عندك
asked the
الشيء
patient
ده